Ladies and gentlemen, I see Frank, Niyi, Chaizo. You guys are welcome. Let's see who is on YouTube. Let me see. Okay, we're going to be having a blast today. So I will be hanging around to answer questions for us to also review the market for this week, for next week. But briefly, we're going to be having, first of all, the short presentation. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the easiest way to trade London breakout. Wow, I'm so excited. I'm so excited for today's training. My name is Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle, and I want to welcome you to today's blast. I mean, we're going to be having a blast. So go ahead and introduce yourself on that chat window. Type in your name and your location. Where are you connected with us today? Your name and your location, and let's get started. Good to see you all. I'm so glad you made it here. Okay, once again, if you happen by any chance to be watching this training on our YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe. And if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel before, please make sure you do. And also you will see a link to share this training with your friend. Go ahead and share it on Facebook and of course on WhatsApp. Remember, this is a free training, and let's pay it forward. So a little bit of disclaimer right here. Trading, investing, and entrepreneurship involves a high degree of risk. This content is for educational purposes only, not investment advice. Investing involves a high degree of risk. I'm not an investment advisor. I have no guarantee of profit. Please and please do not trade or invest with the money you can't afford to lose. I think that is common sense 101 and the Forex trading 101. So I love this quote by Tony Robbins, and I think we should start with that. He says, if you want to achieve success, all you need to do is find a way to model those who have already succeeded. I think that makes sense. The easiest and the fastest way to succeed in life is to get that person that is achieving what you are planning to achieve, model that person, copy that person, and it's just a matter of time you begin to get the same result, if not more. So what you'll be learning from me today, we'll be talking about what is Forex, basics of Forex, intro to Forex, what we do as Forex traders, how we make money as Forex traders, when to trade Forex for maximum profit, 5 reasons why over 90% of Forex traders and Forex traders wannabes lose money. We'll be looking into my Forex sniper strategy. You know, FX sniper will be demystifying the strategy on how you can use it to trade London market. And of course, I will be showing you how you can use this strategy also to trade Asia market. And I will also show you how you can use it to even trade the New York breakout. Okay, so you can use it to trade any of the 3 sessions. So I will also be revealing my proven 3 steps to making 4 figures daily, okay, with Forex trading using this same strategy. And of course, if you hang around with me, you stick with me till the end of this presentation, you're going to be getting, you know, my what I call irresistible offer, you know, value for over $4,000 gift for you. So let's get started. You know, once again, if you hang around with me till the end of this training, I'll be giving you an offer, and of course, I'll be giving you, you know, a gift worth over $4,000. So Who am I and why should you listen to everything I've got to share with you in this training? My name is Emmanuel Adegbola, popularly known as the Forex Apostle. They call me the Forex Apostle because I'm a minister of the gospel. I trade Forex market for a living, and I mentor others to profit from the same market. I'm not a multi-millionaire trader. I don't drive fancy cars. I don't live in a penthouse, but I'm grateful to God for what He has blessed me with. I live comfortably with my wife, two wonderful children as a Forex trader, thanks to the skills you are about to acquire today. I'm an independent trader and, of course, the president of Eden Riches LLC. I won't bore you with my grass to grace story. If you are on this presentation today, possibly you know my story, how I started, trading Forex in 2006. I got so excited with the idea that, okay, I can just make money, okay, with my own computer, with my own cell phone, and I can work anywhere in the world. And of course, without doing what I'm supposed to do. I bought my first account, second, third, fourth, fifth, and the sixth account. So within 6 months of trading Forex, I burnt out 6 live accounts. That was when I made a decision that eventually changed my life, change everything I do in my Forex trading career by hiring myself a coach and a mentor, and that changed everything for me. So, after I bought that sixth account, I had to, with the help of my mom, got another loan. I had somebody in South Africa then that, mentored me seriously, and that within another 3 months, I was able to quit my job as transaction officer then at Access Bank, and of course, started trading live, from home, working from home. If you are familiar with Nigeria, then 2006, 2007, there were this Wonders Bank. Then I was one of the traders for one of them right there. So, as I said, I will not bore you with my grass to grace story because this is not about me, it's about you. But a little bit of warning for you. Don't wait till you burn even your first account before you get help, before you get yourself a good coach and a mentor. And don't just hire anybody anyhow to coach you or to mentor you, because there are a lot of trainers out there that are not really trading, and that reminds me of my story actually. The very first training I had, that was like a 3 hours a seminar. And then, if you are familiar with Nigeria, I traveled from Oyo State, Ibadan, to Lagos, and I paid for this training. And of course, I was so fired up, but I never knew that the guy that trained or that hosted us on that seminar or on that seminar was not even trading himself. Okay, so before you sign up to be coached or to be mentored by anybody, make sure that that person has a proven record. All right, so my promise for you today on this training, you'll be discovering my 3 proven step strategy that I use daily to siphon cash non-stop from the Forex market. And I will be showing you how to copy my strategy to get the same results, if not more. I'm talking about result like this. This is $5,791 in a day. This is $1,482 in a day. This is $3,921 in a day. This is $6,658 in a day. This is 8,000. As you can see, this is $8,320.78 in a day. This is $11,163 in a day. I can go on and on. I normally say that, when it comes to Forex, it's a buffet. It's all you can eat. It's as long as much as you can dream. Once again, if you want to achieve success, all you need to do is find someone that is getting the kind of results that you are getting, model that person, and it's a matter of time you'll begin to get the same result. So is this really for you? You know, now that you've known a little bit about me, about my background, is this training, is this material today for you? Because I hate to waste people's time, and I believe strongly that you respect your time and you wouldn't want to waste your time. So is this training going to be useful and relevant to you? Who is this training for? Number one, you are frustrated trading the Forex market and you are almost at the point of quitting. In fact, you have started contemplating if Forex is for you. Then, my friend, get excited because this training is for you. You have been hearing about Forex and the kind of money you could start making from it, but you don't know how to get started. Then, my friend, this training is for you. You have been trading Forex for a while now, maybe 6 months, 6 years, 1 year, 10 years. And of course, you don't have any proven result to actually show your hard work, and you need to sharpen your skill. And of course, take your income to the next level. Then this trading is for you. You are sick and tired of your current dead-end job or jobs, and you need to change your career or looking for an additional income stream, then this training is for you. And lastly, you are making enough money right now from whatever you are doing, whether as a professional, a doctor, an engineer, an architect, it doesn't matter what you are doing, internet marketer, a blogger, you are making enough money, but you don't have time for yourself. You don't have time for your families. You need a solution and you need it fast. You know, that reminded me of a story of a doctor that we met in Las Vegas at one of my presentations over there. And I asked him that, oh, come on, doc, what are you doing here? And he told me, he said, well, his daughter was just 10 years old. And on her birthday, he bought this girl a very expensive gift. But the girl turned it down. And the girl told him, Dad, I don't even know you. I don't know who you are. Before I wake up, you are gone. You have left the house. And of course, before you come back, I have slept. I don't know my dad. I don't know who you are. He said he cried all night. And of course, he told himself it was high time he made that shift. Maybe you are in that situation today also. You can desire to make that shift today. Once again, I love this quote. If you want to achieve success, all you need to do is find a way to model those who have already succeeded. And of course, it's just a matter of time. You will find yourself, duplicating the result, if not making more. All right, so who is ready? You're ready to learn how to begin to trade London Breakout? If you are the one, type 1 on that chat window. Go ahead, type 1 on the chat window. Say, yes, I am ready. You are ready to, discover my proven 3 steps that you can start using today to make daily 4 figures trading Forex. Type 1 on that chat window. Say, yes, I am ready. You are the one. You are ready to start, using this strategy to trade Asia market, to trade the London Breakout, to trade New York Breakout. Type 1 on that chat window right now. Come on, guys, type 1. Type 1. Okay, awesome. Let's dive in. So, what is Forex? Many people ask me, okay, this Forex, what is it really about? In a layman language, Forex trading simply means buying one currency while simultaneously selling another currency. For example, if you buy Euro USD, it simply means that you buy Euro while you sell USD, all like stocks that if for example, I can't sell Amazon stocks now if I don't have Amazon stocks, okay, in my possession. But Forex is not like that. I can sell any pairs, I can buy any pairs as long as it's available on my trading platform. And you need to understand that it's a two simultaneous event going on at the same time. When you are buying that pair, somebody somewhere is actually selling the pair. Okay, I hope you get that. So when you buy Euro USD, it means that Euro is stronger than USD. So you are buying euro, you are selling USD, and that is exactly what we do. So what is traded in Forex? My friend, the simple answer is money. Is that not interesting? You trade money to make money. No, you trade money to make money. I love that. You trade money to make money. So, in Forex, we have 8 major currencies that we deal with. And of course, these 8 currencies make up also what we call the major currency pairs. Let's quickly go over them. The major currencies we have the the USD, that's we call it the dollars, we have the euro, we have the Japanese yen, we have the British pounds, we have the Swiss franc, we have the Canadian dollars, we have Aussie dollars, and we have the New Zealand dollar. So these 8 pairs, okay, makes up our major currencies, and of course that gives us the major currency pairs, because these pairs have huge volume, okay, huge volume. And of course, by now you know that Forex is a 24-hour market. We are talking about over $6.6 trillion, okay, daily market right here. So these are our 7 major currency pairs. We have the Euro USD, we have the Euro USD, we have the USD Japanese yen, we have GBP USD, USD CHF, we have USD CAD, we have Aussie USD. These 7 pairs, okay, are what we call the major currency, the major currency pairs. The volume is always very, very high, very, very high, and no wonder most new traders likes to trade even Euro USD as a whole. So anyway, let's continue. So how we make money in Forex trading? How do we make money in Forex as a trader? I believe that is what you are interested in. Come on, Apostle, show me the money. How do we make money in Forex? We make money in Forex by how many pips we harvest, okay? When you are trading, your number one goal is for you to harvest as many pips as possible. And when we're talking about PIP, it's just a short form for point in percentage, which represents a tiny measure of the change in a currency in that Forex market. For example, if we have something like this, Euro USD, like right now, Euro USD, you have this pair from, this is the base, 1.13631, and of course, this is the quote, 1.13641. So if this currency pair moves from this value to this value, you will discover that it has moved 1 pip. So 1 pip depends on the account size, that determines how much you make. Also, looking at USD JPY, if it moves from 113.82 to 113.83, it has moved 1 pip. So that is how we make money. Imagine if you now make 20 pips. Imagine if you make 40 pips. Imagine if you make 60, 100 pips, and so on and so forth. That is exactly how you make money in Forex. Okay, that is how you make money in Forex.
Hi there, my name is Christy. So if you're looking to become a professional Forex and cryptocurrency trader, then Easy Forex Institute is the best. I would also highly recommend the coaching and mentoring program from Emmanuel to everyone just seeking a full-time income leveraging this new crypto economy. So I'm averaging between 20 to 40 pips daily now and have over 80% winning trades. So just go ahead, take up Emmanuel's coaching and mentoring program. You will be glad you did. You will not regret it.
By number of pips that you are able to harvest. In fact, I have a template I give to my students, how you can target just daily 20 pips, and within 2 years, you make your first million. It is possible. I also have another one that you target 40 pips daily, and within a year, you could actually make your first million starting from $1,000. Yes, it is possible. And I'm going to be showing you a proof in a minute. So this is what we mean by, pips. I hope you guys are following. If you are following, Type yes, I am following. Type yes, I am following on that chat window right now. Type yes, I am following on that chat window. Type yes, I am following. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Good, good, good. So, my friend, let's continue. Let's talk about PIP value. This PIP we are talking about, we have major currency pairs, we have minor currency pairs, but if we say, okay, yeah, we are making our money with how many pips we'll make. So what is the value of that pip? For example, if it's okay, you trade and you make 20 pips, that 20 pips could worth $20, could worth $2, could worth 2,000, depends on the currency pairs that you trade. So a pip value is determined by the type of account you operate. Let's quickly go through the 4 types of accounts that you could be operating as a Forex trader. We have Nano. With Nano, the pip value is 0.01. So if you are trading a Forex and your account is around $50, what you are trading is Nano. If you have like $50 in your account or $20 in your account, so what you will be trading will be around this 0.01. So that is Nano right there. So if you make, let's say like that 20 pips we talk about, so that would be 20 times 0.01. That will be giving you like 2 cents thereabout. So that is how you make your money from Nano accounts. Then the second category is micro, which 1 pip is 10 cents. The third category is mini account. 1 pip equals $1. So if you are operating an account and you have like $1,000 and you are trading, mini lot size, 1 pip will be $1. So if you make about 40 pips in a day, that is $40. Okay. Then we have what is called the standard lot size. As you can see, the standard lot size, 1 pip is $10. This is where Forex becomes so interesting. This is where Forex becomes so interesting. So imagine if we have 4 traders. Let's say we have 4 traders. Let's say we have 4 traders, A, B, C, D. 4 of them traded and they made, let's say they made 50 pips. Okay, they made 50 pips. A trade Nano account, B trade micro account, C trade mini account, and D traded standard account. Now, 4 of them actually make 50 pips. So this one here will be making this times 50. Okay, that will be 0.01 times 50. So who is calculating for us? Who is calculating for us? Who is calculating for us? That will be 50 times 0.01. So this person will make 50 cents. Okay, this person will make 50 cents. This person will make $5. This person will make $50. And this person will make $500. Even though 4 of them made or harvested the same number of pips. So as a beginner, when you are trading Forex, you don't actually focus on the dollar value. You focus on the number of pips that you get. And with this strategy you are about to learn, you will see how it is easy for you to harvest pips, okay, in the easiest way ever. I've been trading Forex for 14 years now, and I will tell you gladly that this strategy is one of the baddest and the easiest strategy anyone can trade. Okay, so let's continue. Let's continue. So setting your daily income goal. I'm very huge and heavy on goal settings. So let's say, for example, you want to make $10,000 per month. How do you make this? It means that your goal will be to make, $2,500 per week, which is doable, and that will be to make $500 per day. So if your account is a standard lot size, it therefore means that your goal will be to be making 50 pips a day, $500 a day. This will change an average American home. This will change your life. This will change your life. I mean, if you start making extra $10,000 a month, which is doable, in fact, way doable. Okay, let's move on. So let's talk about the best times to trade Forex. Now we are diving in. Guys, if you are following me, say, yes, I'm following. Type yes, Apostle, we are following. Yes, I'm following. Yes, okay, good. Awesome, my friend. I'm so fired up right now. So, best times to trade Forex. You know, we have 7 different market sessions, but we normally focus on 3 major ones. Okay, we focus on 3. The London starts the market. Okay, as you can see, the London starts by 3 a.m. This is Eastern time. The London starts from 3 o'clock to 11 a.m. Eastern time. Then followed by New York. The New York market opens by 8 a.m. as you can see. By 8 a.m. and run till 4 p.m. Eastern time. Then the Asia market starts in the evening. The Asia market consists of Sydney and Tokyo. Okay, so now as a trader, when is the best time for you to trade? Even though Forex market is a 24 hours market, but that doesn't mean that you make your money round the clock. Like right now, as I'm doing this presentation or this training round, the market is sleeping, okay? There's not too much activity. So when is the best time for you to trade Forex? You will discover that when the market is starting, let's say, for example, the New York market is starting within this time. Now, mind you, Frankfurt market starts by 2 a.m. So you can take advantage of that first 1 hour momentum when the market is starting. The same thing is New York. When New York is starting, the very first 1 hour will determine the direction the market will go when we have the breakout, either upward or downward. The same thing Asia, the very first 1 hour. So when the market breaks out upward, you go long. When it breaks out downward, we go short. So we can use the very first 1 hour to trade any of the sessions. And secondly, particularly this strategy is for London alone. If you are trading London market, you can look into the Asian market, because most of the time the Asian market is, we call it a pullback market or retracement market. Don't worry, I'm going to be showing you in a minute. So you look at the high and the low of Asian market, you take the high, you take the low, and then don't worry, my custom system will show you how to do this. In fact, it will do everything for you. So just a calm down. Tell somebody calm down, or tell yourself calm down. So you can see, so that is exactly when you trade. Immediately, when you take the high, you take the low, and of course, you are now looking at the possible breakout. When the market breaks out, you go long. If it goes upward, if it goes downward, you go short. In Forex, just in case you are watching or you are on this class and you are wondering what is long, what is short, what is long, what is short. To go long means to buy, to go short means to sell, okay? So let's continue, guys. So the best time to trade Forex is within the very first 2 hours that each session starts, okay? And I'm going to be explaining this in another way, especially for the London. So now let's take a look. What to do as a Forex trader is to take unfair advantage of that first 2 hours initial momentum. So like Asian session, we look into the 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. London session, we look to 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. Eastern time, and New York, we look into the 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Eastern time. If there's no trading opportunity within this time, I close shop. I don't bother myself trading again. So we'll come back to this slide very, very shortly, guys. So let's look quickly into 4 reasons people lose money in Forex trading, because I'm just kind of sick and tired of hearing people say, oh, I've lost money. Yes, your story is not uncommon. Many successful Forex traders have lost money one way or the other. But there's a proverb from where I come from that if you say you should close your eyes for bad people to be passing, that eyes could remain closed when the good ones are passing. Okay, so yes, I understand you've lost money in the past. Now solution has finally come. So let's quickly look into 4 reasons why people lose money in Forex. Number 1, getting started with wrong mindset. You want to start an account with $100 and you want to make $1 million tomorrow, or because you just lost your job today and you think you can trade Forex, you don't have right frame of mind to do that. So automatically you go be trading with a lot of emotion, greed, fear, anxiety, and that could lead you to losing money. Entering trades without exit plan. There's another training I do about 6 stages of every trade. So before you enter a trade, you want to know what is the risk you are willing to take. Where will be your take profit? What is the condition that will make you to exit the trade? Your money management, your risk management, all of this come together to every single trade. If you are entering a trade without exit plan on mind, all you are doing is just gambling. So inability to control your emotion. So if you are a Forex trader and you don't know how to control your emotion, you will be losing money. Why? Because you are just gambling. You're just gambling, and there will be a time you're supposed to allow the trade to run, okay, till completion. You can close the trade prematurely. And lastly, using inappropriate trading platform. I don't know about you, but I personally hate all this double top, double bottom, upper wedge or lower wedge, upper channel, lower channel. It drives me crazy. I love to see something very simple and work with it with the simplicity. And that is exactly what we are going to be looking at in a minute. Are you guys feeling this? Are you guys feeling this? Come on, type, yes, I'm feeling you. Yes, 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 type. Okay, okay, okay. Awesome. So let's quickly talk about 4 major reasons why we trade Forex. Because, okay, I'll be talking about this Forex. Why do we even trade Forex? Why not just focus on my job, JOB, just over broke, So let's quickly talk about that. Number 1 is liquidity. Forex market is 6.6 trillion daily volume. Bigger than New York Stock Exchange, bigger than London Stock Exchange, bigger than Taiwan Stock Exchange, bigger than Nigeria Stock Exchange, all of them combined. We talk about flexibility. Forex market opens 24 hours in 5 days a week. So no trading restrictions. You can trade any size of account. You can trade anytime. You can trade from anywhere in the world as long as you are connected with internet. The size, you can trade any account size, as I've explained before. If you want to open a regular store, let's say you want to start selling hamburger, you want to open McDonald's franchise, you need nothing less than $500,000 to $1 million to get that started. With Forex, even with $100, with $100, you can get started. Even with $50, you can get started. As I've explained before, we have different types of accounts. Then focus. You can focus on just only one account size. Just one account size. Just one currency pair, and you make your money. Okay, guys, let's keep rocking. Why you shouldn't turn Forex trading to another job? Okay, because I see many people, they're trading Forex, all what they have is another job entirely. So why you shouldn't? Okay, you don't need to turn Forex to another job. In fact, you don't need to babysit your chart, and that is why you need to learn how to take advantage of that 1 to 2 hours momentum of the market. So when we say you can trade part-time and make full-time income, that is what we mean. Once you do your analysis very well, you can enter your trade, enter your stop loss, take your profit, set everything up as I'm going to be showing you using my proprietary system. So once you have that in place, all you do is just sit down, relax, and make money. In fact, you can walk away from your computer because looking at the chart, you could be influenced by your emotion to close the trade. Okay, introducing FX sniper trading strategy. Sniper. Awesome. So let's discuss this strategy. What is this strategy all about? You know, FX sniper trading strategy. It works great with any trading session. You can use it with Asians, London, New York. It requires minimal time for analysis. It doesn't require you babysitting your charts. You know, enables you to trade part-time and still have full-time income. It's good for Forex newbies. Even if you have not traded Forex before, you can use this strategy to make money. And if you are a pro, come on, this will help you maximize your profit. And if you are a Forex legend, come on now, this will create serious leverage for you. Okay, and so on and so forth. So let's focus our attention on London session in this training. So why London? Why London? You'll be benefiting from the early momentum of the Forex, okay? Because London starts the day, okay? London market starts the day. London market, you know, most of the times determine the direction the market will go. So once the momentum starts, once the trend starts, have you heard that word, that trend is your friend? So most of the times, the trend starts from London market. It is good for 9 to 5ers. If you have a full-time job that you do 9 to 5, you can use this strategy, especially if you live in US. You wake up to, like for example, I live in Dallas Central Time. I wake up 1 to 1:30 a.m. I trade from 2 a.m. to 4 p.m. I have 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. okay, Central Time, and I'm done for the day. It requires minimum of 1 to 2 hours daily to trade. London market can move between 50 to 150 pips. And as I normally say, you don't need, in fact, you don't need the 50 pips. You don't even need the 150. All you need to make money and to profit in Forex is 20 to 40 pips a day. 20 to 40 pips in a day, and you will be good. 20 to 40 pips a day, and you will be good. Okay, so let's move on. Now, let's look into this strategy. Our focus, as I've said, will be strictly on London on this trading. So now, London breakout. With FX Sniper, there are two ways you can use it. You can take advantage of the first 1 hour, that is the Frankfurt hour, and I'm going to be showing you in a minute. Just hang in with me. We are getting to the meat of this training now. The second strategy is for you to consider the Asian market, and that is the best of the two. So we'll be looking into that right now. So the strategy, step number one, you get the high and the low of the Asian market on 1 hour chart, okay, on 1 hour chart. Then you step down to 15 minutes or 5 minutes for perfect entry. Then you divide your lot size to 3 if the size of the Asian box is less than 30 pips, and I'm going to be showing you in a second. And if the size is greater than 30 pips, then focus on just one trade. All these steps, okay, FX Sniper system does it for you. You don't have to do it. It does the heavy lifting for you. And especially even with the master class, we have over 6 hours, okay, training on this that you will be getting access to in a second. So this is the step. Take a look over here. Let's say like now, see here, this is the Asian market, okay? Look over here. Take a look here. This is 00, 00, 0, 0, 0 on your chart. Okay, this one here is 10, as you can see. How many of you can see that? If you can see that, type yes. You can see that, say yes. Okay, okay, okay. Awesome, awesome. So we look into the high. This is the high. We look into the low. This is the low. The system does this for us. So once you have that, you wait patiently for the signal. And once there is a trading opportunity, you see breakout, retest, continuation. We have 5 types of breakouts, but I will not go into that. The one we are interested in is breakout, retest, continuation. Once that is in place, the system gives you your entry. As soon as this candle closes, this is the entry. It gives you your stop loss, which is here, and it gives you your take profit 1, it gives you your take profit 2, it gives you your take profit 3. How else can trading be easier more than this? So all you need to do is you copy all these values, you just enter the trade, and that is it. And that is it. The same thing for the London, the same thing for the Asians, the same thing for the New York. Wow, I can see you guys are excited. Yes, I was too when I discovered this. So let's continue. So these are the properties, as you can see right here. So like right now, on the settings, if you are using the second strategy I'm discussing, you see Asian begins. So on the settings of the indicator, this will be 000, and on the end, this will be 1000. And you just click. You can also enable the pop alert. Don't worry, there is training on the settings, there is training on how to install, there is training on everything with this system. Okay, so you see the sound alert, you can be hearing the sound. You see the sound alert right there, you just set it to what? To true. And that is it. Once that is done, all you have to do is let this proprietary system just do its work. All right. This is the testimony of one of my students. He said, after my first full week of live trading, from Monday to today, I have made a profit of $1,867, and I still have 5 open trades. You can see this guy, he didn't know how to trade before. He was a total rookie when it comes to Forex trading, when he started working with me, a few weeks ago. And today, you can see, he was able to double his account. He was able to double his account within 1 week, using this strategy. This is another testimonial from another student. He said, "Money, Pastor, though I lost money yesterday, with the new strategy, I did 80 pips. Remember, our goal is just 20 to 40. This guy made 80 pips, okay, on this same day. So, guys, there is a problem. The problem is doing the analysis, especially if you are new. Okay, could be very, very frustrating, could be very, very daunting, and that is why FX Sniper makes this easy for you. So imagine if you could have a piece of revolutionary software does all the heavy lifting for you. How would that make your life easier? How many of you will be glad to have that kind of a software? If you are, type 1 on the chat window, type 1 on the chat window. And if you are not, well, we can just call it a day. We can just call it a day. Okay, Tony, okay, BJ, okay, awesome. I mean, how many of you will be interested? How many of you will be interested to have this kind of a system? How many of you? Okay, awesome. Okay, introducing FX Sniper Deluxe package. Introducing FX Sniper Deluxe package. Let's talk about advantages of FX Sniper over any other Forex system out there. Number 1, advantage is next level trading algorithm, user friendly, okay, visual interface, minimal time investment, reliable signal, 100% no repaint, adaptive take profit technology, unique trend power detection, highly profitable signal, multiple trading styles, and of course, it supports all major currencies. You can use it with gold, with silver, with indices. It works great on 5 minutes time frame. It works great on MetaTrader 4 platform. You can set your pop-up alert, sound email alert, push notification. It works great with Asians, London, and New York session. It gives you automatically, your 3 take profit 1, 2, 3. And it has an inbuilt sniper calculator. It also has an inbuilt risk management and money management, and so on. So FX Sniper works great with Asian session. As you can see, you enter the trade, you see the take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. That's your stop loss right there. This is Asian. It works magic with London, as you can see right here. This is your stop loss. This is the take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. And of course, FX Sniper performs wonder with New York session. You can see this is your entry, this is stop loss, this is take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. And the FX Sniper works with precious metals. This is gold. It works great with indices. As you can see, this is NASDAQ, that's 100. And you can use FX Sniper to trade any currency pairs at all, any currency pair of your choice. So, my friend, finally, let's quickly discuss my proven 3 steps strategy that I use daily to siphon cash non-stop from the Forex market. Step number 1, copy the trade signal generated by the FX Sniper. Step number 2, enter the trade on your chart in an easy way. And of course, I'm going to be showing you on our training. Number 3, relax and make money. Relax and make money. Relax and make money. All right, so let's take a look at what some of our beta testers have to say about FX snipers. You know, I'm not the only person that is using FX snipers. Immediately, you know, we developed this system. I gave some of my VIP students, you know, access to test drive this, you know, magic money-making system. And this is what Dr. Okanta has to say. He says, FX Sniper is a Forex trading indicator that makes Forex trading seamless. The Sniper gives you a trigger arrow that helps you know when to enter into a trade. It gives you the entry price, your stop loss, and your take profit 1, 2, and 3. This indicator has made my trading easy. That is Doctor. I recommend this software to both rookies and experienced Forex trader. Okay, and this is Dr. Clifton. This is Clifton. Clifton Mills. He says, I love the software from the Forex system, Forex Apostle. All the software programs that I have used from Emmanuel have been time tested to produce results. Not only does Emmanuel help create the software, he uses it on a daily basis. FX Sniper is an exceptional tool. This software is great for both beginner and the advanced trader. I mean, this is so awesome. Thank you, Doctor. And this is from my friend Winnet. You know, he says the FX Sniper software works wonders. As a newbie in Forex trading, my life has been made so much easier by the Forex Sniper, FX Sniper software. I have just been demo trading for a little while, and I must say, with FX Sniper, I have all the confidence to go live, you know. This is from Chizo, Elegant Princess. It says, FX Sniper is a wonderful software. I've been using it for some time now, and I will admit that it makes trading enjoyable, fun, and profitable by automatically displaying where to place my stop loss, take profit targets, that is take profit 1, 2, and 3. And it also has an inbuilt risk and money management. You know, that is from Chizover, and this is from Dr. Ike. Dr. Ike actually happened to be, you know, one of my VIP students. I was able to use this sniper strategy and this system to double his account within a week. Since I love using the FX Sniper software for my Forex trades, it helps me to easily plan my trades. It automatically gives me an indication of when to enter the trade, fix a stop loss, and shows me 3 take profit. I mean, this is just so encouraging. You see, I can go on and on, guys. I can go on and on, but we don't have all the time here. So your testimonial could be the next one right on this slide. So is that going to be you? That testimonial can be yours right here. So it depends. There are a lot of people watching this training right now, but it's just by every 20 rules. Are you going to be among those 20% that make up their mind that, you know what, FX Sniper is going to change my life? And if that is you, then my team and I, we are willing to give you our full support. So I know what you are thinking right now. Yes, come on. I know. So how much is this money-making combo package? Before I tell you the price, let's discuss the jackpot, you get today when you sign up before midnight today. And I'm serious with this. When I say before midnight today, it means that this crazy offer, this gift for you today only exists and is only valid for today. So what do you get? Number one, if you take up this offer today, you get FX Sniper Pro. The Pro version is for unlimited number of accounts and computers, unlimited number of, so it means you can install FX Sniper on more than one account. You can use it on more than one computer. If you are an agency, you can actually install this for a client. So what that means is that you don't have to limit yourself. You don't have to cap your income. If you have to purchase this on its own, it's Naira $97, but you will be getting it as part of this combo package. Number two, you'll be getting what I call the Forex Apostle FX Sniper Forex profile. This will save you almost 2 hours of work, setting up your profile and all those. All you have to do is just copy and paste, and voila, everything will be set up for you. Number three, you will be getting the list of my trusted brokers. I have almost about 10 different Forex brokers that I use. So I will be getting the list, and you are free to pick your choice among them. So if you have to spend time digging into this, I don't know what your time worth, but the value of this is $97. Then number four, you'll be getting access to FX Sniper Traders Live Trading Room community. This is where you'll be able to ask questions, interact with 6, 7, 8 figures Forex traders, and they answer your questions. Number five, you'll be getting FX Sniper Masterclass. This is over 6 hours web class strategy. It's just like me sitting by your side and show you in details how this strategy works. It's over 6 hours web class strategy training with me. The value of this is $1,497. So let's take a look at what to get, the total package of what to get today. The total package of what to get today. If you take up this offer, you'll be getting FX Sniper Pro, $1,997. You'll be getting FX Sniper Forex Profile, $997. You'll be getting the list of trusted brokers, $197. You'll be getting access to the Live Traders Community Room, $497 per year. You'll be getting access to the Masterclass, $1,497. The total value of what to get today, if you take up this offer today, is $5,185 only. However, just today, okay, guys, just today alone. In fact, when I show my wife this offer, he says, "Are you crazy?" I said, "Well, I don't know." So just today, to get FX Sniper Deluxe package, you are not going to be paying the $5,185. All you pay today is $497. Yes, you read it well. Not $4,097, not $1,097, not even $997. But right now on this page, all you have to do is, if you are right now in our trading room right here, click the button below. You will see a button right there below or by the side of this presentation, okay? And depends on where you are connected. If you are watching us on Facebook, then goes to fxsniper.net/deluxe, www.fxsniper.net/deluxe to get your own package right now. And if you are watching, you are connected with me right now in this webinar room, then there should be a link right by the side of this window. Click on that right now to place your order. I'm going to give you 1 minute to do that. Click on the button right now. Click on that button right now. Place your order. And once your order is completed, you will immediately get access to your package today.
Hello, my name is Dr. Kwebanwo, the Wealth Apostle, and I'm extremely humbled to be given the opportunity to give a testimonial on behalf of Emmanuel Adegbola, the Forex Apostle. I hardly ever do endorsements. I hardly ever do recommendations. But if there's anybody I will recommend for Forex trading, stock trading, and cryptocurrency trading for coaching, it's going to be Emmanuel Adegbola. As far as I'm concerned, is one of the foremost Forex coaches in the country today. I know this because I've sent several people to him, and several of them have come back with huge testimonials about how they were able to achieve breakthrough in making serious money online, trading Forex, stocks, and crypto. So it's my pleasure to recommend and endorse Emmanuel Adegbola. I am able to recommend him despite the fact that I don't do this often because I know him. I'm one of the people who trained him early in digital business before he specialized in Forex itself, and now he has become a master with dozens and dozens and dozens of people that I have sent to him and that he has been able to help to achieve breakthrough in the area of Forex. If you need a coach that will stay with you every step of the way, a coach that will be with you daily during your program to help you to reach the promised land of trading Forex, stocks, and crypto, Emmanuel Adegbola is the guy. I encourage you, I endorse him, and I support you joining his coaching program because I know he will deliver. He has delivered for me in the past. I know him. I can call him. Give me a feedback how it's going when you join his program. And I'm sure it's all going to work out for you. God bless you.
Guys, it can't get easier than this. It can't get easier than this. I wish I laid my hand on a system like this 14 years ago when I was getting started. My life would have been made more easier. However, no regret, because I have, the Lord has used me to be able to discover this for you. I want to believe that it's an answer to somebody's prayer. So go ahead, click the button, click that link right now. And if you are watching this on Facebook, or maybe you are also connected with us on YouTube, go to www.fxsniper.net, fxsniper.net/deluxe, and place your order right now. You might see the link above, below, somewhere on this page. Click on it right now. Place your order right now. Okay, have you done that? If you have placed your order, go ahead and type it on the chat window. I just completed my order. Put in your name, type in your name right there. So my assistant will start collecting the names, and immediately you will get access to your training. So go ahead, do that. Go ahead, do that. Go ahead, do that right now. Go ahead, do that right now. Also, now let's assume that you are having problems paying with a debit card. What do? You can pay with Cash App. The Cash App is $ Emmanuel Adegbola. You can pay with Zelle. The Zelle is Eden Riches LLC10@gmail.com. That is my Zelle. You can pay with PayPal. All you have to do is send your payment to easyforexinstitute@gmail.com. easyforexinstitute@gmail.com. You can also send your payment to Bitcoin. We accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. All you have to do is chat with me on our WhatsApp number. And if you are international, you can also pay to GT Bank. GT Bank, the Naira account, this is the information right there. And if you want to pay to our dollar account, you can also get in touch with me. So guys, do that. And if you have placed your order, go ahead and type in your name and just put right there, I just placed my order. I just placed my order. And Flex, if you are there, go ahead and collect those that have placed their order right now, and then let's begin to help these ones to start making money with FX Sniper. All right, guys, for more information, this is my contact, 214-440-6099 on WhatsApp, only chatting. And if you want to connect with me on Facebook, this is my Facebook handle. Once again, I want to say a very big special thank you for your time today. And if you have any question, drop it on that chat window. I'm going to reply you. I'm going to respond to you, and I'm going to hang around to just answer your question. Guys, it can get easier, better, simpler than this. But all you have to do is take that action right now. Take that action right now. Click on that button right now, place your order, and I look forward to helping you making money with FX Sniper Awesome. I will see you in the members area. Awesome. All right, guys. All right. So if you have questions, just leave your question right there on the chat window. Let me see. We have, if you have your question right there, go ahead and drop your questions. Razak, Obenwa, Richard, Philip, Derek, Glam, Eni, Philemon, Sunny, BJ, Tokwe. Our phone details again, Tokwe is 214-440-6099. Just only chat, and please don't chat me to ask if I will collect $50. Okay, 440-6099. Okay, guys, let's review the market for this week, and let's see what is going to happen next week. Also, remember that Monday is going to be the last trading day for this month. So get ready for volatile market on Monday if you are trading live, and if you are trading demo also, of course, remember you have to treat your demo account the way you will treat a live account, okay? You have to treat demo the way you will treat live account. You have to treat demo the way you will treat live account. So let's take a look at what the market has for us for next week. Or before then, let me see. You guys can unmute. Let me see. You can unmute yourself. You can unmute yourself. You can unmute yourself. You can unmute yourself if you have question. Please mute your line if you have noisy background. That's why I muted everybody before. You can unmute yourself. You can unmute yourself if you can do that. Can you guys do that? Let me see. Okay, you can unmute yourself. I just reset it now. So you can unmute yourself. I believe you should be able to do that. Who wants to share his or her trading experience for this week with us? You want to share your trading. However, guys, if you place your order, go ahead and type in your name. Mary Jane, your husband just placed your order for you. You'll be getting access immediately after this training, Mary Jane. Okay, so who wants to share? Who wants to share maybe your trading experience before we go ahead? Niyi, Frank, Chaizo, who is admin, Olushola, Alex, who wants to share his or her trading experience for this week, or you have questions? If you have questions also on YouTube, go ahead and type in your question there. And if you have a question on Facebook, type in your question there. Let's quickly do that before we call it a day. I know it's been a busy day. Any question, guys? Any question? All right, okay, let's take a look at the markets for this week, and let's see what we have going for next week. Let's see, share. Can you guys see my screen, right? So this is the market this week has been so funny, but of course, if you still have your patience, if you are patient enough, you will still make some money. So like right now on a GBP card, and the reason is simple, because of the news today. So the Canadian crosses kind of have upper edge. So, but as you can see, the market did not move until when US market started. When the New York market started, that was when we have GBP card, GBP USD, it was just up and down. GBP USD, it was up and down. And as I always say, every day is not really Christmas when it comes to Forex. Personally, when I'm trading with this system, if I'm up within my first 1 hour, most of the times I will know whether I'm placing trade or not. Like for example, today, when I woke up to trade, I already saw that this, because I don't want to have, trend. You can see on GBP USD, it looks like, okay, we already have, you see, we already have We already have a movement right there. It started like this, then going up. So we already have what I can call the trend. So I didn't really bother trading it. So I think I was awake for like 30 minutes and I went straight back to bed. GBP USD, the same thing is, if you look at it also, it already moved. And then when you look at how many pips it's already moved, we're looking into like over 100 pips. You don't want that for Asian market. Asian market, you want it to be tight. You want Asian market to be very, very tight. Maximum that I want to be looking at in Asian market will be like 40 pips movement. Remember, we want to take advantage of initial momentum of London market, either up or down. So, but when the market already moved during Asia market, I know definitely London market is not going to move. It's just going to be doing what it did today, as you can see. But if you are still patient enough, you will get some, still make some pips, but nothing during London. The trade we had today was actually during New York, when New York opened. Let's take a look. The same thing, you can see indices. The reason why indices is doing what it has been doing is because of the split coming up on Monday by Tesla and Tesla and Apple. So the group is splitting Apple 1 to 4 on Monday, Tesla 1 to 5 on Monday. So expect radical movement also on indices if you are trading indices. If you are trading indices, as you can see, nothing much on this, nothing much on this. The market was just ranging. That's one of the reasons why I like this system, because especially if you follow the new settings we have to trade in London. So if there's no trade, there's no trade. Don't force it. You don't tell the market what the market should do. The market should tell you what you should do. Okay. Even though if you still milk it, if you know how to milk the market very well, you could still make some dough, you know, can still make some dough. Like right now, for this month on one of my accounts, because on this account right here, let me see, so far, like today, this is a 482. It's 482 on this account. So the market was not really that too moved, but at least on this account this month, not bad. 14,000 is not bad at all for a month. I want to believe that over 50% of Americans don't make that in a month. So guys, let's take a look at next week. Let's take a look at next week, what is happening next week. If you look at daily on GBP, CHF, you see the market is really ranging right here. Okay, the market is ranging, and that could continue till next week, non-farm payroll, when we'll be having, that will be next week, Friday. So the market is ranging for GBP CHF. Let's take a look at Euro USD. What is Euro doing right now? Euro USD. Let's go to daily chart. Euro USD. You can see it's up on daily, but let's see, can it survive? So we have broken this line. We've broken this resistance right here. So can it survive that? Can it continue up? Let's see what's going to happen next week. What do you guys think? See, like right now, we broke this, and but it's still ranging, because from what I can see right here, I still see a ranging market. You see, right there. Right there, I can see this market still ranging. So let's see. Also, the same thing will be applicable next week. This is how the market looks like right now. So this has been ranging. You see, it has been ranging, and personally, I'm expecting Euro USD to have a pullback. up to this. If we go now to check it on, let's see. Oh, okay, I don't have a Tradomatic on this. Okay, yeah. So Euro USD ranging next week is going to be crazy, crazy, crazy for indices. If you are trading indices, take a look. If you are trading indices for next week, because this has really, really, really overshoot, really, really overshoot. I'm expecting, especially on Monday, personally, initial movement will be like up. And that is why if I'm trading indices, I trade on 5 minutes and I trade on 15 minutes, because anything can happen next week, especially with NASDAQ, especially with the splitting of Apple and Tesla. There's going to be a lot of volatility next week, especially on Monday. So please be careful if you are trading, especially your live account. Be very, very careful with your trades. Okay, guys, any other, let's see, any question, guys? Any question before we call it? Any question? Sonny, I don't think so. I mean, with the FX Sniper, do trades run for more than 1 day? Well, FX Sniper strategy is an intraday strategy, a list here. So the goal is to open the trade and close your trade before the end of the day. That is the goal. But in case if you remove your stop loss, of course, it could spend days. But the utmost goal of the strategy is for you to open the trade and close it within a day. It's basically meant for day traders. Okay, the strategy, remember, you are trading on 5 minutes. So it's actually for day traders. If you follow the system's rule, most of the times you place your trade, if you are in America or Canada, you can go back to sleep, let the trade does whatever it wants to do. I hope that answered the question. Okay, guys, my co-host here, any question? Niyi, any questions, any observations? Frank, Chizo, any question, guys? Any question before we call it a day? Okay, all right. Wes, okay, you're good. Okay, great, great, great. So the VIP session tomorrow, we should be meeting by should I say 10? We'll discuss on our WhatsApp group the best time, but we should be meeting tomorrow. So either 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock tomorrow. So let's see which one works best for majority. Okay. Thank you guys for hanging out, and I hope you are practicing, and I hope this is making sense to you. I hope you begin to, put together the puzzles, and it's all about practice, guys. It's all about practice. There's no magic wand anywhere, but once you see what the market is doing, you follow what the market is doing, and you just, follow it. You can't move the market. You don't have billions of dollars. Even the billionaires cannot move the market. But with the little dollars you have, $100,000, $10,000, $100,000 you have, it's like dropping a pen into an ocean. But if you play smart, you still make profit. I mean, my very good friend, the account I've been showcasing since Monday, right now he has the account up to $10,000, even though my friend is having floating of over 7,000. I hope you are listening, guy. I hope you are listening. I hope you are listening, Doc. I hope you are listening. There's a reason why you paid for my coaching. There's a reason why I'm your coach and a mentor. This is good. The risk is good. But hey, any small movement like this can wipe off the account. So if I were you, I will take out my profit. I kept saying, I've been saying this since Monday. I will take out my profit or my initial deposit, bank it or keep it in your wallet, in your FX Trust account, trade with the balance. And if anything happens to the account, of course, you still have your initial deposit. That is the piece of just little change that I have for you. All right, guys, I wish you a wonderful weekend. And for the VIP students, I'll see you tomorrow by 10 or 11. We'll conclude in our WhatsApp group. Have a blessed evening.